I found this at HEB, and I hope this works, but because I already processed my hair, they have a new, I love Garnier. I love Garnier. Their hair coloring does not kill you like L'Oreal's does. And supposedly they made a maximum lightening cream. It lifts up to 8 levels. However, they're saying it won't work on dark brown hair, but because I lifted already my hair with the rose gold color or processed it, I'm hoping that this works. I'm not going to use it yet, but I want to try this. And then even on the white, it'll help open up the pores of the white hair, and hopefully color will take to it. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I was thinking of trying this Punky Color Mood Switch. It works with heat. So this color is purple, but it in the heat it moves up to a blue, or down to a blue, I guess. I'm not sure. So yeah, it works with temperature. So I thought that would be interesting. Let's see how that works. So yeah, so it says best for use with bleach or highlighted hair. So I'm not sure when I'm going to do this. I don't know if I'm going to do this for the summer. I don't know if I'm going to do this for the fall. Maybe I have one more rose gold color to use that I want to try my hair, and it's the Kiss Express, because it works on gray and white and silver hair. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works. Probably continue that through the spring, because I think usually it's good enough for like 2 uses for me. And then after that, I want to try that. I have tried to lift my hair higher than an orange. I think the lightest I ever got it was to like a banana color, and I really, really wish that I could make it into like a gray silver color for my entire hair, but I can't get it to lift, and I know it's going to be costly to try to do it professionally, or even buy professional products, because I heard Olaplex works very well. But yeah, I don't, sometimes I just feel like shaving my head. If it wasn't for this double chin, I think I shaved my head. So anyway. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that.